Oh, this is Suzy Cute's little puppies. They're 4 weeks old. The one that's doing the whining has figured out how to climb out of the box. Look at that. Look at that. Now they're playing. To get his sister. Hi, you guys. Oh, there he goes. There's the merry boy. He has just never had a bad word to say about anybody. Yes. There's dinner. Oh, there you are. See, that's where they're starting to learn to get out. I'm in trouble now. Oh, they know that sound. Hi, guys. Where are you, huh? Oh, yes. There's the pellets. You can see it's breaking down. They're learning to go potty out there instead of on their bed. That's wonderful. Good boy. Oh, merry boy. Yes. He's merry boy. That's the cutest little guy. I know. They're not. Yes, I know. This is usually when I come out, I'm picking them up, and they're just not figuring out why that's not happening. Huh? Why aren't you letting me out, Mama? Well, I'm trying to get a recording of you. Look at that. Look at that. Yeah, there's a birdie girl. She's going to California. Yeah, she's a pretty girl. She's a pretty girl. Oh, that's my babies. That's my babies. Oh, yeah. Look at that. Hey, Mary boy. So come up and eat, too. Here you go. Yes. Oh, I know. There you go. Alright, I'm going to stop this so the kids can go out and play. They want to get out of this box for a little bit. They're 4 weeks old and they have discovered play. Yeah, it's just like that.